Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be solving a common complaint on the Ford Focus RS, and that is of ride quality. So this particular customer has done a lot of research and he's found that the solution to his ride quality complaint, which is making his back hurt quite a bit, is one down to the seat and then also down to the factory suspension on the car. So we're actually going to be upgrading the factory electronic dampers to the KW DDC, which is going to improve the ride quality and the handling of the vehicle to help solve some of his niggles. So the KW suspension is a ride height adjustable coilover, so you can get the ride height set just nice. This particular customer doesn't want to go too low, so we're going to try and get it as close to the factory look as possible, and then integrates perfectly with the factory electronic damping system as well, so you retain all of your different drive modes inside the car, so you can make it softer or make it harder depending on what type of use you've got the car for. So the only thing we've got to do is get the car in the workshop and get the kit fitted. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously, if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.